Hello guys, this reel or video is all about the opening of new Apple store in Hebbal, Bengaluru at Phoenix Mall of Asia. So if you are an Apple fan, do watch this reel or video till the end. Since it's a bit of a long video, I will fast forward unimportant part. The Apple officials will be shouting Hebbal just like they did it for Apple BKC. Countdown for opening the store begins. Guys, he's the first customer of Apple Hebbal. This is how the Apple store looks from inside. And if you like this reel or video, share it with Apple fans and follow TechyMate for more tech content.